guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Izzy. She's not here right now, she's grabbing something. But anyways, I'm here with my mom right there, and Stephanie. And today I'm making slime. So, sugar cream, always be prepared. Okay, well, anyways, so I'm probably going to make, today I'll have a slime system.
Oh, I'll be right out. Sorry. Okay.
Ow.
Yeah, pizza.
So, yeah, so here's Izzy.
Well, when you come
There's
down,
foam balls. These are containers. Shaving cream. Tide.
It's a
Glue. And that's it. So, we're going to be eating pizza too because I guess the pizza's here. So, I was going to do making the slime backwards.
You should do that.
But I don't want to. Then it gets around. So I want to. Oh my god, guys! So I got my hair dyed purple. You can still see it a little bit, but I went in the pool and it went out. So we're not going to talk about that. I'm getting it done next week, so you guys will be able to see it again. Wait, again.
And I
So, and we got my charger. So, spoon and bowl. And Izzy right now is making bracelets. Here's her stuff for slime. And here's like the slime stuff. There's also, forgot to tell you guys, there's this glitter. This glitter, it's kind of like a little like rose gold. I know Izzy's probably going to use rose gold. So, and there's this light blue. And oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. So we got container bowl, sequins, foam beads, shaving cream. Oh my god, I got shaving cream, mommy. Are you kidding me? Well, I'm not going to talk about that either. Okay, guys? We're not going to talk about anything that happens. So, and we got it like teal. You can't really see it because of the bags. When it's like bag, like, that's cool, but no. So, Izzy's right there. You can see her chair, but there she is. So, I don't know if I should go with the dark blue or the rose gold.
Let me see the rose gold. Dark blue.
So, I forget, is fluffy, stretchy?
I mean, a little bit, but...
I'm add a tiny bit of shaving cream. Alright, so let's get on this. Okay, guys, so...
They're weird.
So we got our spoon. Yeah, let's put the spoon right up against you guys. Okay. So now I'm going to add my Elmer's glue to my bowl. I've done 3 minutes talking, 4 minutes of talking. Let's just get on. So I'm going to add my Elmer's glue, school glue.
Do not make a lot. Don't make too much.
I'm not. To this. So this bottle is, I feel, 38 flow ounces. So big. And this thing is 1 gallon. Okay, so we have no parents out here, so we're gonna add some glue. Okay, that's probably good. So I got my glue to my bowl. I might add more if I want to. Pizza here.
Yes, ma'am.
So next I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream. So there's the parents.
So you needed it underneath. Oh my god, I smell that all the way over.
I know it smells good.
Stop!
So this is my fun right now, guys. Oh, Izzy, do you have food coloring?
Yeah, it's in the kitchen.
I probably want to dye mine.
Amazing.
Maybe a red.
No.
Orange! Guys, I always make like blah colors.
She makes blue. She makes
I made like
blue,
purple, pink.
purple.
Yeah. Basically every single color of the rainbow except for the other colors.
You know, there's many years since I worked there, I never had it. I mean, each one is different because of the franchise. I mean, yeah.
Okay, this smells really good. Do you have scents? No. I need to buy scent. Okay, look at that. That's like good. Is that bent or is it just me? It's kind of good, but
Madison, here's your pizza.
come here. Here,
Please.
please. Put aroma to do. Okay, I'm waiting for it in my hand.
what kind of pizza are you having?
I'm not having any pizza right now.
Okay.
So, I got pizza. So, guys, smells good. It's like watery, so I might add a little more glue.
But yes.
All I smell is just shaving cream.
But it can only. That's why I kept telling you, you need Snapchat. You need Snapchat.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, so now I'm gonna
Listen,
add
it's just a
some
mix. I can't
FOMO.
skip as much as I can.
Wait, no, I'm gonna add that at the
You
end.
don't think I'm used to this by now? Come on now.
Yeah, but I like to be aware of my audience. Cyber, if you don't go lay down, oh my god, it's so messy. Do you want a piece?
Yeah, I'll try this.
So, if you don't see what I just did, all I did, I might have been looking away.
You take your
I did a little more glue,
You're gonna grab.
just because
I'm usually one who likes
it doesn't like.
cross.
See, I like the crust. I've always had to think about my hands being messy.
Oh, see, Cyber? I know. You need food. I know.
So, we're gonna eat real quick, and then, yeah. So,
Are you out of food? Do you want me to bring some over? Tell me about some.
Madison, do you need a napkin, honey?
I got one.
How about no thanks? Sounds like I'd like don't you just.
I got one works.
So, Izzy is making two.
Go lay down.
Bracelet.
I know, you're so hungry. Wait, no, wait. Big and fat. There's
Oh, yes, you're red. Puppy of the day, red. Hi, red. You're the puppy of the day.
These are the messages I get.
Okay, so this is really, really saucy.
Vanessa shitting. I mean, pooping. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Come on, Mom.
You guys need to be like super popular YouTube channel like all these other people.
I have 57 subscribers.
That's
I have-
awesome.
I have
I would
nine.
make your Snapchat channel or Snapchat. Get it right, huh? I'd make your YouTube channel. Awesome. You just record me all day.
Yeah. Stephanie, it's just Stephanie _33.
Who's that? Who's that?
Oh no.
That's not me.
That was someone screaming. I don't like Steve.
That's probably Steve. I don't care.
Probably.
I wanted to see him so bad. And then he died.
You know, it's funny. I had the same exact conversation with somebody else. He's always one of those ones where I'm like, oh, next year. He'll be there next year.
Okay. Well. Sorry for that. But here is Stephanie. Just Stephanie _33.
Just Stephanie? I'm not just Stephanie _. I don't have a
Stephanie fed knock.
I don't have this Snapchat thing. I mean, YouTube. Oh my god, YouTube!
So we're gonna do a part 2 of this in
I'm a
a
mess.
couple minutes. See you later. Bye.